Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. It was pandemonium as Buju Banton touched the stage in his first ever performance since being freed. According to sources close to the camp, an estimated 35,000 patrons made their way to the National Stadium on Saturday night. The venue had hundreds of patrons out as early as 4 p.m. and saw celebrities out in their numbers.
Great vibes, you know, freedom. This is freedom. You know me, I say, I must give thanks to the people that found out. They're together and not create no bad vibes. It's just good vibes, and I anticipate the great Buju Banton.
I mean, Buju really paved the way for so many people, especially my fiance. So, like I said, it's all about timing and it's perfect. It works.
It's amazing. You know, say this is a one-of-a-kind moment. So this is not going to happen again. So me have to there observe all of the wonderful feelings and looking at the wonderful people who come out.
I'm happy for Buju. I'm happy for Jamaica, and I'm happy for our music. This is the kind of global impact that our music has and that our artists have, you know, and this is great for Kingston.
There you have it, a high-profile, sold-out crowd as the masses stood in solidarity with the DJ, whose voice was as immaculate as the day he started. Buju was not affected by the minor sound issues as he performed undisturbed for over an hour and a half. The DJ who set omitted the controversial song Boom Bye Bye spoke volumes to the new direction of the artist. However, Buju during his set did not miss the opportunity to address the rumors of abuse in prison, much to the amusement of his fans.
8 years, 6 months, 27 days, 13 hours, 5 minutes and 26 seconds. This is a disclaimer. No disrespect to no one. I'm talking about me. Break it down. Me don't care what in the media. Me no business about the news. Me do 10 years of prison about no sexual abuse. No tear no dep on my rectum and me ain't no abuse. Me see enough of them confused.
Following the controversial statement, the DJ pulled for Driver, another one of his brow-raising singles. This one about drug trafficking.
Mr. Driver! Don't stop at all. I'm sorry, Driver! Don't take a hit.
Joining Buju on stage were heavyweights Beres Hammond, Marcy Griffiths, Wayne Wonder, and UK dancehall star Steph London. DJ Khaled was spotted backstage, however he did not make the widely rumored appearance on stage. Jamaica is the first stop on the DJ's Long Walk to Freedom concert. He heads to the Bahamas next. Buju Banton for Reggae Sumfest. The Sumfest team made the announcement a day after his monumental performance. Buju is part of a trio dubbed BBC, Buju, Beres and Chronix, as Jamaicans will have a second opportunity to see the Gargamel perform right here this year. That's it for E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.